All right, so here we go. The first thing you're going to do is get your piece of paper, all right? And you're going to fold it over. You're going to hold this side down, and then you're going to make a crease over here, okay? You're going to take your paper, you're going to fold it over, and then you're going to make a crease over here, all right? So once you're done with that, your paper will look like this. You can open it and close it just like a book, all right? It can stand up by itself. That's how cards tend to behave, all right? Take my camera up a little so you can see the top of it. Okay, there you go, you can see the top of it. So I need each of you to do it just like this. All right, once you've done that, the next step is to draw a curve, two curves to the top, and a letter V to the bottom. Notice that the letter V goes from one side of the paper to the next side of the paper. Notice that the curves at the top go from one side of the paper to the next side of the paper. All right, so I'm going to darken that so that you can see it better. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a curve over here and a curve over here.
Can I see it again, please?
All right, you're going to have a square edge here and a square edge here, but you're going to draw a wide letter V to the bottom, and you're going to draw a bump of the letter B to the top. It's a letter B, but no line here. Now we're going to take the scissors and we're going to cut. We're going to cut this section off, and we're going to cut this section off. Then we're going to turn it around, and we're going to cut this section off, and we're going to cut this section off. So everybody go ahead and cut. When you finish cutting, you should be left with this shape, okay? When you finish cutting, you should be left with this shape. And open and close. I'm going to start from the beginning.
Okay, thank you.
All right, here we go. We have our paper.
Yeah.
The first thing we want to do is to fold our paper
Okay.
and then crease one side.
Okay.
And that leaves us with a folded paper that can open like a book. All right, so once you have that, the next thing to do is to draw a curve to the top and a letter V to the bottom. So you're drawing the letter B as in boy to the top, and you're drawing the letter V as in very to the bottom. Okay? So it will look like this. We have our letter B to the top, B as in boy, and then to the bottom we have our letter V as in very. Then you're going to cut it out. You're going to take your scissors and cut out the white areas. Take the scissors and cut out the white areas to the top and bottom, and you're going to be left with this. Okay? You're going to be left with it. the outside, you're putting Happy Mother's Day, and you can decorate it with flowers, butterflies, hearts. And on the inside, you can put love and your name, and you can decorate it with your face.